Thank you for waiting. At this time, we're going to have passengers seated in premium economy. Upper class is flying for gold on the left-hand side of the gate 811. Once again, premium economy, upper class.
Hi everyone, so we have reached Milan and this is 9:30 p.m. in Italy, and it's so chilly night. It's like around 10 to 11 Celsius right here, and we are now driving to Bologna, and it's like 2 or 3 hours of drive from here Milan to Bologna. So it's a long day. We have started from Karachi and then transit to Dubai, and after Dubai we have 7 hours flight to Milan, and now 2 to 3 hours of drive to Bologna. But the weather is very good and I'm enjoying. Alright, Assalamu alaikum. So I'm at the Milan airport right now. We have just got done by our antigen rapid COVID test. So yesterday I have done my COVID test from Karachi, then now at Milan we have done again, and now we are taking a taxi towards Bologna. Actually the tour administrator already sent the driver and we are towards Bologna now. So this is our ride to Bologna. टाइम जो है यहाँ पर इटली के तकरीबन 7:20 हो रहे हैं. मैंने 6 बजे का अलार्म लगाया था, लेकिन एक दफ़ा स्नूज़ करने के बाद मैं 6:30 बजे उठ गया. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द मीटिंग्स विद इटालियन बिज़नेस कम्युनिटी, उनके साथ जो मीटिंग्स हैं फर्स्ट डे की, तो उसके लिए रेडी हो गया हूँ क्योंकि 8:30 बजे गाड़ी आ जाएगी मुझे लेने के लिए. और रूम काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल है. दिस इज़ रॉयल कार्ल्टन होटल इन बोलोनिया. मैं आपको दिखाता भी हूँ. We are at the breakfast area and look at this perfect, very healthy options. Fresh fruits and yogurts and all the paninis and the cereals. Amar Saab, how are you feeling then?
I'm feeling good. Had a great night.
Did you had a good night?
Yeah, it was very good.
We are looking for a day. We are at the exhibition center and everyone is waiting for getting done the antigen test once again. So Amir Saab, what are you looking forward for the next 3 days?
Good question. Next question, please.
Because we still are not sure.
We still are not sure because our group leaders are absent. We the three guys are representing Pakistan at the moment.
And Faizan is ready for getting the test done.
Getting the test done and leading the delegation.
Delegation,
three
yes,
people.
So while Faizan will lead the delegation, so me and Amir Saab will leave for to roam around the city and. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so we are here at the exhibition hall. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता दूं कि मैं किस पर्पस के लिए इटली आया हूँ. बेसिकली I am here to attend EMA 2021. EMA is the one of the world's largest festival for and exhibition and conference for industrial and agricultural equipments. Just because हमारा फैमिली बिजनेस जो है वो एग्रीकल्चरल इक्विपमेंट्स को डील करता है पिछले लास्ट 38 ईयर्स से. सो आई एम हेयर टू रिप्रेजेंट सिप्टैन एंटरप्राइजेस. लेट मी शो यू कि किस तरह हम बेसिकली जो है हमें स्पेस मिला है यहाँ पे, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. सो दिस इज़ हियर वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग पाकिस्तान. दिस इज़ इटालियन ट्रेड एजेंसी दैट गिवन अस Siptan Enterprises. This is space. This is my name written here. So these all are the material that we are presenting to Italian investors. So this is a joint trade venture कि जिसके अंदर we are planning to import Italian products as well as we are planning to export our Pakistani assembled and Pakistani made products. So this is also Shabi Farms and Poultry Services representing Pakistan. This is Niazi Farms from Pakistan, and this is Hayat Farms from Pakistan, and this is our media team representing Pakistan and writing amazing work for Pakistani representation. And let me show you that many of the investors are meeting with each other and finding and exploring opportunities. Hi everyone, so just for a quick update that it was a very busy and productive day at Bologna, Italy, and we have almost met with 32 to 33 manufacturers, traders and investors of Italian trade for possible partnerships and possible ventures with Pakistan. So right now I am at the Volvo Congress Center to attend the press conference of EMA 2021. अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन. सो हमारी यूरोप में पहली शाम बोलोनिया के नाम. आज हम क्योंकि फ्री हुए हैं, कल तो खैर हम रात में पहुँचे ही इतना लेट थे बोलोनिया, और दुबई, कराची से दुबई, दुबई से बोलोनिया, तो सोचा कि आज रात निकलें और ज़रा यूरोप की शामें देखें. हमारे साथ एक पाकिस्तानी दोस्त हमारे साथ ही हैं, उज़ैफ़ा, तो वो बता रहे हैं कि बोलोनिया में बेसिकली बोलोनिया का जो यूरोपियन आर्किटेक्ट है वो वर्ल्ड फेमस है, एंड यहाँ पे 12 तकरीबन ऐसी बालकनीज़ हैं जिसको यूनेस्को ने अपने पास चार्ट किया हुआ है. बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग एंड बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल टाउन. लेकिन मुझे एक चीज़ का वो है कि यूरोप को इतनी जल्दी बंद होते हुए मैंने पहली दफ़ा देखा है.
I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit.
Hi everyone, so today is the second day of EMA 2021. Yesterday we have already done with our B2B meetings, and today we have to visit all the exhibition and see all the exhibitors across Italy and overall world who have set up their stands over here with their technology presentation. So this is another world for the industrial and agricultural machinery lovers, and I have never seen such a big exhibition. An event, as an event manager myself, I haven't been to such event. So big, so huge, and such technology that can make any people drool away. This is Landini. Look at the amazing tractors, and this makes me feel so amazed, as well as make me feel some sad as well, because we don't have such models and such technology of tractors and agricultural equipments in Pakistan. Look at this, because I came here to EMA to represent Siptan Enterprises, and Siptan Enterprises is the authorized dealer of New Holland Agriculture. This is world's biggest, one of the biggest agriculture equipment company. And the stall is the most biggest in the whole EMA. Let me show you what's the New Holland World is.
Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
Hi everyone, so we are at the Bologna Central train station, and we have actually completed our half day at the exhibition, and now for just sightseeing we are going to visit Florence. So we are at the railway station right now getting tickets. So we have just taken bought these tickets of the bullet train. So this will be an experience, just because it will take like almost only 28 minutes to get us from Bologna to Florence. So these are the tracks. This is quite similar like Pakistan, but I am amazed of the maintenance of the train station, as well as the cleanliness, as well as by using the same tracks they are offering bullet train services as well. So that means that makes us sure that we can do this as well in Pakistan if we are willing to do. We have to go to platform number 19 to get our train, and it's just 7 minutes left and we are rushing now.
I've been counting down the days to get out. I've been looking for a way from this town. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now. Full speed ahead, fly from the end. So I'm full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
I'm feeling so proud to visit this amazing city like Florence, which is very much rich in heritage and architect and art and design. Wow, amazing. This David sculpture has such a rich history that I will also tell in my later vlogs. David was? David was an amazing hero, a young hero who has defeated a Goliath, a very massive force, with just his intellect, innocence, and his mind. Wow, I'm so amazed by this masterpiece and this majestic sculpture over here.
Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead.
Actually, I'm in love with this beautiful place. Someone actually suggested me to visit Florence at any cost, because this is the place of you will fall in love within. And seriously, I'm so thankful to her to suggest me.
If I stay with you, if I'm choosing wrong, I don't care at all. If I'm losing now,
to the romance of this city. Actually, romance is the right word for the city. This is so beautiful. I must say that I cannot express by my video that what I am just witnessing here.
Lost my time, my life is gone now.
What an amazing day, guys, to Florence. Though it was very tiring, but I seriously will going to miss this amazing city with the name of Florence.
Yeah. They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, 'cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another. We hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. Yeah, and I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, but you either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you?